Alright guys, well here is my railing, and you might not be able to see it good, but I know you can see where the paint is gone, and it goes like this all the way up and down my banister railing. So I'm tired of repainting it, I'm tired of cleaning it, so I am going to show you what I have decided to do with it. Alright guys, well I have my Dollar Tree paper. Only thing you're going to need is your Dollar Tree paper, a card, and some scissors. And we're just going to wrap this banister and see how it's going to turn out. So I'm just going to take the paper and stretch it from one side of the banister to the other. What I am going to do, I am going to go and cut the paper to there. Just going to make me a little snippet right there, and then I'm just going to cut it all the way down. Okay, so now that we have it cut, it's a little wrinkled on one end from it being rolled up, but it is what it is. Let's just see if it's going to work, guys. So we are going to take the paper and I am just going to just take the whole thing off. And I am going to place it on my railing. And I'm just going to smooth. And really what you just want to do is ensure that you have no wrinkles. Alright guys, so that was it. Did you like the video? Well, this is Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And stay safe, stay blessed, love one another guys, and I will talk to you later. This turned out so nice. It matched my steps too. Bye. Paper turned out so well, guys, that I ended up doing the flat banister part that comes down my stairs, and also the second handle going to the second level. So, like I said, this paper worked out great. And once again, it matches my stick.